Once upon a time, in a bustling kingdom, there lived a bright and curious little locksmith named Sammy. Every day, he would spend hours tinkering in his workshop, creating beautiful, intricate locks that were the envy of all who saw them. One day, a challenge came to the kingdom. A thief had stolen the royal treasure, and the king was distraught. The kingdom was in disarray, and the people were worried. Sammy, hearing of this, felt a spark of determination ignite within him. He decided to use his skills to help. With a newfound sense of purpose, he worked tirelessly, night and day, creating a lock that could only be opened by the one who truly deserved the treasure. After 3 long days and nights, Sammy was ready. He presented the lock to the king, explaining that only the honest and kind-hearted could unlock it. The king, impressed, placed the lock on the treasure chest. The thief returned that night, but to his surprise, he could not open the lock. He tried and tried, but the lock remained closed. Frustrated, he left the kingdom, never to return. The next morning, the people gathered around Sammy, eager to see who would open the lock. A humble traveler arrived, his heart filled with kindness and honesty. When he saw the lock, he felt a sense of peace. He tried the lock, and to everyone's amazement, it opened. The traveler was revealed to be a long-lost prince who had been away on a journey. He returned to reclaim his rightful place on the throne, bringing peace and prosperity back to the kingdom. Sammy, the little locksmith, had not only saved the kingdom but also played a part in restoring its glory. He had shown everyone the power of determination, creativity, and kindness. From that day on, he was hailed as a hero, and his name was remembered for generations. And so, the tale of the brilliant little locksmith serves as a reminder to us all that with determination, creativity, and kindness, we too can overcome any challenge that comes our way.